Hi all, in this video we will learn about what is machine learning and types of machine learning and in details about supervised machine learning models. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that provides the ability to learn automatically and improve its experience without being explicitly programmed. What it means is we no need to code for the machine to learn. Rather, we are giving the ability to learn the model based on the input data. And machine learning models are classified into three types. One is supervised machine learning models and unsupervised machine learning models. And third one is reinforcement machine learning models. Now we'll talk about one by one. In this video, we'll be primarily focusing on supervised machine learning models. Supervised machine learning model is where you have both input variables called as x and also the output variable y, so that you can map a function y equal to f of x. So this f of x function, we are not going to write it manually. That's what we have mentioned here, without being explicitly programmed. Rather, this f of x will be built based on the input data which you are passing to the model. To understand better on this one, let's take an example. Suppose you have a x as the input, 2 is the value. Okay, you are passing to the and we have this data already. So if you have 2, the corresponding output is 5, and if we have input as a 3, the corresponding output is 7, and we have input as 4, and correspondingly the output is 9. So you have already this data. So by seeing this data, if someone asks you what is the output for input value 5, right? If you see is a mapping, so we can easily say the value is 11 here. How you are saying you understood this data, both input as well as the output, and you are come up with a equation, and you are able to say if you give 5, the output will be 11. That is called as the mapping function. What is happening? 2 times the input called x plus 1. Okay, this is the mapping function. This 2 times x plus 1, this is something we are asking the machine to build this equation, rather than we are writing this equation. If you pass this input data, both input like input is x as well as the output is y values. So our machine will be understand from the data, and it is coming up with an equation. This is called as supervised machine learning models. So basically what is going to happen is the model will be able to identify what could be the value for this coefficient. If you take this equation in a generalized manner, y equal to m times x plus c. C is the constant and m is the slope here. Okay, this m value and c value, the model will be predicting from the input data. Right? This is called as the supervised machine learning models, since we are passing both input as well as the output to train the model. Hope you understood what is supervised machine learning models. In the next video, we'll talk about unsupervised machine learning models with a very basic example. Thank you.